Guess who's back? Yeah, Shady's back again. But for people who don't know me, my name is Shady, obviously. And I'm sharing with you the tricks and maneuvers I've learned over the years since I had a traumatic brain injury in 2003 and I can't use my left hand. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to zip your outerwears with one hand. But first we have to mention the things we have to name the things I'm gonna mention. So this is the cursor, its slider, and the bottom stop, and the pin. So let's start doing the maneuver. We're gonna have to put the side where the cursor is under our chin. However, you can, the first trials, you can just hold it with your mouth so you have a firm grip. We make sure that the cursor is at the bottom stop. We grab the pin with our index and thumb. We put it into the cursor. We put our middle finger under the cursor. While pulling down, we keep our middle finger, and now we slightly put our index on the right side and our ring finger on the left side, and we pull up. Sorry, but that's easy for me since I live in Montreal and I had like millions of trials a year. You have to come to live here to learn it faster. And now I'm gonna be showing you the type of outerwears that you shouldn't buy. However, I got it as a gift, that's the only reason I have it. If you can see here, there is a piece of fabric over the cursor and even another piece of fabric under the cursor. These two pieces will prevent us from the cursor reaching the pin. And for me, even now, if it have only one of the sides have this extra piece of fabric, I don't buy it. Why the headache whenever you can find an easy one like the one I'm gonna show you now? And for people that can use only the left hand, it's the same thing but the opposite way around. Let me show you the ideal type of zipper that you can use. Where is it? There it is. Sorry, but I can't put them all at the same time. So when you wear it, double check that you arrange well the shoulders to have an easy reach from the pin to the cursor. So we hold it under our chin. However, if you can see, this maneuver is easier since you put your index under the cursor, and now after it's totally in, you put your ring finger on the right side and the middle finger on the left side, and you pull up. It got stuck with the t-shirt. Errors happen, don't worry. You're gonna have a lot of them until you learn to be perfect. So I hope this trick will make your life easier and faster. So don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. But don't forget to click on the bell so you can know when there is a new video. And if you have any comments or suggestions, write them below. I can't see it from here, but I think it's below you. Have a good rest of the day.